Guys, Iceriver is changing the game when it does come to home mining. As we can see here, next gen home ASIC miner is coming soon. So Iceriver pretty much changed the game when it did come to home mining with ASICs with their KS0s, and now they're up to the KS0 Ultras. They have the AL0s, and then they also have the RX0s for Radiant here. And those have always been nice, pretty efficient, close to Bitmain type of ASICs there, and pretty decent for the actual cost versus some of the other companies out there. And they really, caught the eye of a lot of the home miners here. But now it looks like they're changing the game again, and things may be getting a lot better. So let's have a look at what they're saying here. So revolutionize home mining, next gen home ASIC miner for Kaspa and the lithium is coming soon. New look, silent, and efficiency. So what do you guys think they're actually going to be doing here? I'm kind of curious here. I wonder if they're doing what Gold Shell just did, and they're making like a small server case type of thing, but obviously it's probably going to be a lot better hash rate than Gold Shell, a lot better in efficiency than Gold Shell, and hopefully it comes down to being a lot better in price, which Iceriver usually is. So it's going to be very interesting. Could they possibly be the end of Gold Shell and bankrupt them? I don't know. Maybe if they go into script and, Dogecoin mining, possibly, because I don't really think anyone else would be mining or purchasing a KA box or the DG1M and whatever, because they are pretty much the worst miners on the market and the most expensive. But Iceriver seems to be entering the game for larger miners. And a lot of people wanted this, but also a lot of people don't, because if we look at the comments here, new home miners, why are you already destroying all the old ones? And this is a thing here. You got to realize this is a new algorithm. Kaspa is pretty new to ASICs. Lithium pretty new. Obviously, Radiant just got hit with ASICs, so that's pretty new. But when new miners release for the first gen, second gen, you see miner updates pretty fast, and that's just common in the ASIC world here. Now it does take about 4 or 5 gens till we start to see things finally start to slow down and slowly turn into script and Bitcoin, where we only see a miner release every 2.5 to 3 years depending on the version and stuff. But early on, we see upgrades every 6 months to every 6 to 8 months, I guess. I wanted to say up to a year, but we've seen a couple over the past year for Kaspa already. So we are very early on into Kaspa and Lithium and Radiant, so we will see updates happen very fast, and it's nice that they're actually updating it to more of the home mining stage, because home miners is what adds decentralization to these networks. Obviously it comes down to power price and everything, but the more people that can mine a coin at a profit level, the more hash rate that's turned on, and the more hash rate that's around the world is turned on. So this is a good thing, but at the same time, depending on the miners you have, it may be bad. But there's no timeline, there's no hash rates, there's no stats here. We don't know what they're going to do or how much they're going to cost. So obviously we will keep you up to date. So let me know what you think about this whole situation. I will see you on the next one. Rabid out.